In this lesson, you will prepare a floor plan so that you can place spaces later. Because most MEP engineers work with a linked model during system design, you will first configure the linked architectural model, and then you will create a plenum level. Spaces allow you to calculate the volume of the areas in the building. They contain information about the locations in which they are placed. The information is used for heating and cooling loads analysis. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog box, from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Spaces 01. Let's configure the linked model for space bounding in order to begin designing systems in it. In the project browser, with the Level 2 Space Plan view active, select the link to Revit model. Then, from the Element panel, click the Element Properties drop-down and select Type Properties. In the Type Properties dialog, click inside the checkbox for Room Bounding and click OK. This makes the architectural components, such as walls, ceilings, and floors, recognized as boundaries for spaces. Press Escape to clear the selection, and next, we'll add a level for plenums. In the project browser, under Design, MEP Design Elevations, double-click West MEP. Then, click the Architect tab, and from the Levels and Grids panel, click Level. Then, click the Change Element Type drop-down and select Level Plenum. Then, from the Draw panel, make sure Line is selected, and on the Options bar, verify that Make Plan View is selected, and click Plan View Types, and verify that only Floor Plan is selected, and click OK. This creates only a floor plan after the level is added. Then, for offset, enter 8 feet. Then, click the left endpoint of level 2, and then click the right endpoint of level 2. This draws a plenum level 8 feet above level 2. Click Modify, and zoom in on the right side of the elevation view. Then, double-click the level name Level 4, and enter Level 2 Plenum. When asked to rename the corresponding level views, click Yes. Then, press Escape to clear the selection. And note that you now have question marks under Discipline, followed by a set of question marks again. And under Floor Plans, you have a new Level 2 Plenum. Because we have not yet specified the view classification or subdiscipline properties, those categories in the project browser are listed as question marks. Right-click the view Level 2 Plenum and click Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, for Subdiscipline, select MEP Plenum. And for View Classification, select Design. And under Identity Data, for Default View Template, select Plenum Plan. And under Extents, for View Range, click Edit. In the View Range dialog, under Primary Range, for Top, select Level Above Level 3, and for Offset, enter 0, And for cut plane offset, enter 1 foot and click OK twice. Now in the project browser, the view Level 2 Planum is listed under MEP Planum Floor Plans. Double-click the Level 2 Planum view to open it. Notice that the site plan displays in the view. You'll now apply the default view template so that only the architectural floor plan displays. Right-click the view in the project browser and click Apply Default View Template. When you do, the view graphics are modified based on the template applied. Close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.